Bistro. Hit it. Sing to that. Okay. Is that okay? Yes, birthday kids, is that okay? Yes. Sing to them? Alright, good. The whole time. You want to do it all by yourselves the whole time? Yes? Yes? I'm very excited about that. How about this? How about after you guys sing for a little bit, they have to sing to you? Yeah! Yeah? Sound good? Sound like a better deal? No. Alright, who knows what we're going to do? I don't. What are we going to do? You forgot, that's not a dance. What dance are we going to do?
We're going to do the chicken dance.
What are the words to the chicken dance?
I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so shake my butt.
That's right, it's I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt. Good. Birthday kids, we're going to start. I will get everybody a fair warning. Our DJ is a little tricky, so we may want to keep our ears open. She might try to trick us a little bit. No tricking. We'll see if she can follow along. Hit it. I don't want to be a chicken.